Good morning, coconuts. How are you doing on this fine Thursday morning? Broadcasting to our great audience of zero. Fantastic. So having a look now at the big G, we've had a big movement to the upside. So we had lots of candles going down, dailies, red, all week. Essentially, I think that was the run-up to Trump speaking. In Davos, a lot of Greenland stuff, a lot of nervous investors out there were pulling out stocks, hedging to see what was happening. So we need to have a look to find some sort of structure before taking trades, as I don't think that's my old magic keys. Gotta get the old magic keys out. Magic keys. And it's already running. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Is that working? Are we working? Yes, we are working. Cool. Just setting up the old magic keys so we can sufficiently calculate our lot sizes if we take a trade today. Yeah, I think I'm going to be a little bit reluctant to take something early. We on the 1 hour we've come up. We've bounced off the 200 moving average on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. We have gone above it on the 30-minute. So we've broken out of this area here. Some key levels. What we can have a look to see is if we're able to hold here, and it could be an indication. Yeah. Entries on the 13-minute went well yesterday, so if we do take an entry, I would be a little bit inclined to go on a 30-minute. How about that? So this big trend line, as you can see, well, look, we've come back up, we've hit it. Difficult one. Lots going on here. We've come all the way up. So we've gone past. So we've gone past yesterday's highs. Interestingly enough. And the question is, will we go down to test yesterday's lows, which are very low. Oof, and I'm sorry for all these horrible lines everywhere. We need to just keep our big trend line there. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. Start fresh. Start fresh. What to do. Little pig. So, let's clean it up a bit. So on the daily, we got yesterday's high is that, yesterday's low is here. Okay. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Today's high is tomorrow's low. We've run out of coffee. Fucking travesty, if you ask me. Travesty. Unbelievable. Streamlabs, blah 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 blah. Oh, my flights have increased. Nice. Every time I look at flights, they keep going up. So we've got no coffee, but we do have some Earl Grizzle. Earl Grey tea. So hopefully, feeling a bit groggy today. Tad groggy. Did have a couple of beers last night. Yeah. Oof. This is. Are we gonna come back down and see? Yeah. Gonna wait for some sort of. Oh, our structure's been broken. Well, actually, let's see. There. So we've come up, and we've created a little bit of a range here. Little bit of a range. So, okay. How is that? Okay. Interesting. Interesting. That size correct. Yeah, could have potentially missed a little bit of a move here. A little bit of a move, she. See how she moves, Miss Manny. See how she moves. Yes. What time is Yeah, I'm not liking what I'm seeing at the moment. We've bounced off the 200. 30-minute could be an area here to continue up. This could be an area to continue up. Let's see. We've got this area broken out of as well. Okay. But this is a big old bullish candle here. This is huge area to be trading around. Like getting in sales up here to revisit down here. That's an idea, but it's we've been going down for. What is this? The retest on the. We need to get our. Let's get our trends back in here. Big one. The big daddy trend. The big daddy trend, which was here. All the way through here. So essentially, this could be the retest on the. Okay. Okay. This could be the retest on this zone. Excuse me. I did a bottom burp. Right. So. My tea is too hot. Need the caffeine. Yes. Trying to grasp my little brain around what is happening here. So yesterday turned into a green day. Fuck, man. So if we put stops above the current high and we target yesterday's lows, I mean, it's definitely an idea. It's definitely an idea. Definitely an idea. At least 2 point. Couple of ideas, yes. We have had change. There's a big bullish candle here with a nice rejection. Can I find another instance of a candle like that? Can I? Song is stuck in my head. Had some late night salami. Cool. I wonder who these 2 viewers are that I have. I don't think they're real. I don't think they are real. Okay, so we've marked out this little range. Just gonna wait and see. Wait and see what happens. Get some tea in us. It's not quite hitting the spot. Oh, man. Wake up. Maybe I should put on a little makeup. Ooh. It's just a quick analysis. So we've come up, shot up yesterday, shot up this morning. What's this? Yesterday's? What is this? What is that? I'm doing a Shane. Yeah, so yesterday's high. Yeah. Yesterday's high. And it's looking like a little range here. So like, so we've basically drawn a trend from this upside. This is the longest standing trend line that was dumped on. And that's we've been trading off. Moving average. Yeah. Hourly, we've bounced off the 200. So sells are still valid. Sells are still valid. Huh. Do we come down? How far do we come down? We've rejected this top bit already. After a big push. Yeah, I am undecided. I am undecided. If we break here, I think we might come down. It stops. Ali's looking pretty juicy because we bounced off this area here. It's come to test. It's on the test. It's on the test. It's a testament to his character. Oh god, last night taught me that I really need to get the fuck away from these people. Isn't it funny that the people that preach tolerance are the least tolerant? Sad. Sad but true. You can have an opinion, as long as it doesn't interfere with mine. I'm childish. I don't believe your lying eyes, people. Drink from the Kool-Aid. You'll be fine. What a snipe of a trade yesterday, by the way. Boom, sell. Boom, exit. You know, we got a good 75% of that big move here. Like that. Like that. Time for that. Boom. Count sitting at 72 G's. 72 G's. Undecided. Undecided this morning. Undecided. 30-minute closing below the little range here. We broke out. Market open in 30 minutes. I'm gonna see what happens. It could be a bullish day. We've broken the highs of yesterday. although we're coming back down a little bit now. Do we continue up? Trump still wants Greenland, and he said he's not going to do it by force. So, economic pressure on the rest of the world. Look at the old camera angle today is. You're the guy with the face. Andrew Dice Clay, very funny guy. Not PC. People like that. What's happening here? Excuse me. How rude. Gassy son of a bitch today. We are gassy. What's could be bearish, you know. Could be bearish. Fuck it. Fuck it. My little brain. My little brain. Struggling. Okay. I have a plan. We've made a new high. Here. Get out! I hate how it selects fucking everything. Oh, I think I have a cold coming as well. Fantastic. Oh, great. There goes my fucking lines. Okay, so let's get another line back on here. Okay, so new high for the day. So let's call that Asia session high. So Asia session high, and currently oh, I can't get that song out of my head. It's such a hard beat. That is the reason. Okay, session high. Let's forget yesterday. We can see where we already know where that was. So Asia high, Asia low. Okay, and we've Asia high, Asia low, Asia high, Asia low. Break of structure, push to the upside, bouncing off the 200 moving average, above the 50, above the 20 on the 1 hour time frame. We have broken the 200 moving average on the 30-minute time frame. 4 hour, still bearish. Daily, bullish. Oh no. I made an accident in my pants. Yeah. So this we need to get this line on because this was our bread and butter here. No, not was it that? No. Okay, right. Okay. Deselect. 30 minute. Okay. Deselect. Good. Okay. Let's calm down. Go on the 4 hour, please. Yes. 4 hour, please. Where was our... Okay. So I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let's Son of a beach. Okay, right. Okay, makes a bit more sense. Okay. Asia high, Asia low, and we're going to be entering the London session. But when we say London, I mean Germany. The big G. I am struggling this morning. The ramblings of an absolute lunatic. Cheers. Alright, Winston, how you doing, buddy? I must say, I do have the most handsome dog. Yeah, handsome. Really handsome. Yeah. Okay. What we're going to do is wait to see what happens with the session open. It's going to be in 26 minutes and 30 seconds, approximately. What is this line I've got here? Okay. Why did I draw that line? Okay, that's this little range. Let's get rid of that. Get out of it. Oh, it keeps happening. It keeps fucking happening. Oh, it keeps happening. Oh. I'm fighting with MetaTrader today. MetaTrader 5, everybody. MetaTrader 5, I hear. And they have stopped it in United States. Something to do with people running scams. I think it's people running fake brokers. Ooh, nice rejection. Nice rejection on the hourly, baby. Ooh. I do declare. Oh, Delilah. For me, a break above the 200 moving average, a break and a close with a hourly candle. I could be tempted. So this is our overall trend. This is our big old trendy here, which starts back in November. First touch point, second, you know, it's been pretty reliable. And then we had this news event here. We just fucked our way through that. And it appears here that we've come back up. Could we? Could that be? I mean, this is a big break in structure here, and we've come back up back onto our trend. So this is, we could call this news manipulation of why we broke out of this trend here. We could call it that. And we're rejecting now. Okay. Oh. Just trying to put it all together. Buys worry me because are we going to have volume on a Thursday to push through? Big sell-off. Look, overall uptrend. Sell-off, retest on this area could have been yesterday for us to continue higher. I'm tempted for. I could be bullish today, guys. Could be. Oh, going to be making some absolute hilarious clips at some point over the weekend. I've got about, I don't know, 15, 20 little reels, some comedic trading related meme videos of sorts. Okay. Right. That would be a sexy trade. That would be sexy. That would be sexy. That would be sexy. So yesterday we had our biggest. So we took a tiny trade. We got out of it pretty quick. Would have ended up being a winner anyway, but yeah, I didn't like how it was looking in the moment, so got out of it quick. Lost about 100, something like that, 120. And then we took a very similar trade after some closing confirmations. And what did we get? What are the numbers? 1,415. Sexy. What a number. In one trade. 2%. That's our first 2% trade. Oh. Blocked nose, blocked ears, heavy pressure. Yeah. I've got a lot of time for those 2% trades. A lot of time. Okay, 20 minutes till open. 20 minutes till open. Oh, we forgot to check our calendar. I know tomorrow we've got big news. Where's my... Okay. To the, could be going to the moon today. Look at this. I kind of like buys here, guys. I kind of like it. Look at this. Yeah. Ooh. 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 You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm going to be getting in on buys. I think I am. What's the risk? Risk. Sniper entries only. Right. Right. Think about this. Think about this. Think about this. Think about this. Let's see how this candle closes. Right, news. That was got sidetracked. Price action taking my attention away. Australian dollar, pound, euro, USD, unemployment killings. Ooh. Forecast is bad. Oof. The US unemployment claims looks like a 5% increase there. Not good. USD CPI again. Oh, sorry, PCE price index. Euro. Nothing on euro today. Tomorrow we have lots of Japanese news, lots of German news. 8:30. Manufacturing. Forecast. Good. Oh, could this be the fucking turnaround? What is this? Okay, sexy candle, no doubt. It's a sexy bullish candle, no doubt. Get away. Okay. New 4 hour candle. Oh, 2 hours in. Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Okay. So I'm feeling buys here. I'm feeling buys. We're bouncing. We've gone back up into a the original trend. Son of a bitch. This is a nice rejection here. Having stops. Hmm. 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 The mind. All right, 10 minutes till market open. Let's hold our horses. Let's hold our horses. Let's hold our horses now. Come on, hold our horses. Horses. So we're running low on nicotine, coffee. Well, coffee is gone. So running low on nicotine and caffeinated products. Third cup of tea now. Nice ceiling. Okay, but how did I not even see this? So we come up to our original breakout point. I see. Okay. Okay. Ooh. 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 Yeah. No trade yet. Snipping to the toilet. Kill that fucking headache. Fuck. I had a few beers, man. Oh. I did eat a packet of salami though. Could be the culprit. If we can break above this 200 moving average, let's see it last time. Yeah. And then we'll be on the way to testing all-time highs again. Let's see something. I haven't checked the freaking news today. Headache. Oh. Be gone from me. Trump, NATO chief, confronts Trump over his insults. Fuck off. When Trump says jump, the world says how high. Let's just fucking be honest. You might not like it, but France, England, pretending they have any fucking power, gave it all away. There is no more empire. It's gone. Military is a joke here. I did army recruitment, and it's not a doesn't fill me with confidence, put it that way. Ooh. Ooh. What is happening here? Big bullish candle. Okay. Big bullish candle. But it's big as fuck. On the daily. Absolutely swept liquidity. Let's have a look at the last time that happened. I'm feeling bullish today, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling buys. Feeling it. Feeling it. Okay, stops below the 200 moving average. Here. Ah. Ideas. Look at this. Look how this is closing. Look at this. Shooting star. Is that what it's telling me? Coconut. Praying to the coconut gods. get a 2% trade in today, we will be sitting at 5%. Tomorrow's economic data, what is expected? So expected an increase slightly. 42.7, that's the same. 49. Oh yeah, that bitch Christine is speaking tomorrow. Ugh. Ugh. I know the type. I know the type. Oh, the sun is coming up. Let's open the curtains. What the hell is? Okay. 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 Right. Could this be the move? If we're able to get in a nice change of structure from the beginning, we could have a nice run. We could have a good run. We could have a good run. How far? Look at this. This looks. How is this not? What is the sentiment? What is the sentiment? Okay, we're about to open. The open is about to happen. Oh. Alright. I'm being careful, so I'm not going to take a buy. Although, buys are looking so good right now. So good. So good. Hourly. We haven't taken a trade. We're gonna see what happens. Session high, Asia session high, Asia session low. Nothing fucking happened. Big push at the end of yesterday, up back into our trend area with the long withstanding trend line, which was broken primarily due to news. All this retracement was due to news. I mean, fucking bullish here, guys. Audi candle closed. Man, this is a tough one. No wick at the bottom here. I think if I don't take buys, I'm going to regret it. I think I could regret it. Okay, yesterday. I don't know what to do. I'm paralyzed. I'm a deer in the headlights. A deer, a female deer. Okay, new order. We are going longs, and we are gonna do a cheeky 6, and we are gonna buy. We have we're gonna have our stops below the below the 200 moving average on the 30-minute time frame. Okay. 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 And what I want now is to see us push past this area here. Yes. Fucking in! Oh, sorry, dog. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just excited. Okay, we're in the green so far. We are in. First 5-minute candle. How's it looking? It looks like we are going to be bullish. Bouncing off the 200 moving average. Going up. What I'm actually going to do is going to move stops tighter. Moving stops tighter, and we're going to be in new order. We're going to be in for another buy as well. I think we're onto something here, people. So our loss is here. Right. Okay. We are in. We are in buys today. Yeah, let's see if we can get a push up. We need push. Looks good. If we get breaks above this area, we are good. We don't want this to be rejected up here. We need breaks above. First 5-minute bullish. So we got a 12 lot on at the moment. About 1.5% risk. Stops there. We're in the green. We are in Luigi. Okay. We need a green day. Green day, please. So what we want, we need a push up break Asia session highs and closes above Asia session highs. If we get that, this is Asia session low here. Obviously, our stops are below the Asia session low. Well, let's see if we can have a green day. What we don't want to see are big rejections. Okay, hovering around a minute. Right, 15 minute look good. Sorry, the 30 minute look good here. So this first 15 minute candle could be quite telling if we can continue up. We don't have any TP at the moment. I do think if we're able to break up out of this area, could be a freaking stormer. On the daily, so we've already wicked down for the day. Looking for a continuation up. So we're looking for big wins today. I need this to play ball. Play ball, play ball, play ball. Risk reward, we're going to be going for at least 2 to 1 today, so we're going to be looking for 3% minimum today. So yeah, accumulation. So we look like this: accumulation, some manipulation. Boom. That's what we want. Okay, 5 minute. Come down. It didn't come back. It's respecting this area here. Okay, so now we need pushes above. Would be nice. Pushes above. Hopefully, I mean, I like that we've pushed up above where our big trend was. We've had a rejection on the 4 hour. So we're anticipating the 4 hour to flip bullish. And if we get a 4 hour close above here, especially above this area, we're looking pretty Gucci. Looking pretty Gucci. So we need to push up now. Break the highs here. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Oh yeah. Come on. Broken. Okay, we've broken the highs. Nice. Broken the highs. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Update. What is this? What is this update? Whose house? What should we do? Okay, we're in the green so far. We do have a push up. Last candle was bullish. Rejection. Nice. We need a nice 15-minute close bullish as well. And we need to test and break through Asia session highs. This seems to be the test. Come on, come on. This could be a fucking blinder today. It'll be absolutely fantastic. So we're above the 200 moving average. Yeah, okay. I like this. We need to get the hourly candle closed above the 200 moving average. That is the aim of the game right now. 15-minute, still green. Let's see if it can stay green. Stay green. Ooh, a little bit of rejection on the 5. We need to push up higher now. Push, baby, push. Ugh. The pain of trading is definitely worse than childbirth. I'm just going to throw that out there. We need this 15 to close above this area. 30 seconds left. Oof. Oof. Come on, baby. Oof, that's not good. Okay, 5 minutes not looking great. Still in on the 15. 15 needs to close above that area. Above. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Oh shit, I've had the mic off the whole fucking time. Oh man. So we were in a trade, buys. However, because of the close of this 15-minute candle here, and then a little continuation with the next, also the 1 hour flipping bearish, I got out. This is Asia session high, Asia session low. It appears we are going to go down and test the Asia session low now. We are not in a trade at the moment, but yeah, a little bit of loss, about 0.3, 0.4%. No biggie, no biggie. Can't believe I've just had it on mute this whole fucking time. Shit happens. Interesting. Let's see what happens with this hourly candle. We've got 10 minutes left. On the 5, rejection of this area. Moving averages. Yeah, so first trade of the day is a loss. That happened yesterday. We had a small loss and then we had a big gain. That's the aim of the game. Small losses, big gains. Unbelievable. No sound. Thank you, Jahid. Thank you, Jahid. So we're trading the Germany 40, or as I like to call it, the Big G. 1 hour. Oof. So we're going bullish again now. This is... could have been right all this time. Look at that. Could have been right. Come down, wicked off, 30. Apologies, it is the ramblings of a madman most of the time, so you're probably better off you didn't hear what I was saying. Right, we are looking for... see what happens here. We could have... Hourly's looking a lot better now. I'm liking the look of it again. Baby, why do you do this to me? Oh, baby. Okay, we're in again. I do like the look of it now. Maybe I should have waited for the close, but fuck it. Fuck it. Okay. We're in. We are in. Continuation, please. Please, 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 please. I like the way that's looking there. Cool, 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 cool. Bounced off the 20 moving average. Hourly. I think this hourly to close bullish. Could have just thrown away some more money, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, rejection. Not good. Not good. Get up there, bitch. Get on up. I need a James Brown. I need a James Brown. I need a James Brown. Get on up. Like a sax machine. Oh, fuck my life. Look at this. Ugh, horrible candle. Horrendous. What a roller coaster this morning. Indecision. Close bullish, please. If we don't close bullish, it's not going to be good. Not going to be good. Come on, nice pop to the upside. Please. Please. Please, may I have a pop to the upside? Just fucking headache, man. Okay, I like this rejection. Okay. Huh? Come on, we got 4 minutes left of the hourly candle. Created a little supporter right here. Yep. Still above our trendy as well. Haven't gone lower. Nice. Don't like this rejection. However, not quite the end of the world. But this is what I like. This is what I like here. Yesterday, how yesterday ended. I like that. Okay. So at the moment, what are we up? 1,700, yeah. Okay. We want to see some nice pushes to the upside now. If we are going to have a valid trade. I like this rejection here. This rejection off this level is good. I did get a bit scared because the hourly flipped bearish. However, it was only brief. So I got in again. And hopefully that will be the right decision. If not, I'll be a double loser for the day. Fool me once, fool me twice. Have a look. Hourly. Gonna have 1 hour left of the yeah, we're gonna have 1 hour left of the 4 hour candle. In this next hour, I really want to see a push and a break above this area here for continuation. If we do that on the 4 hour as well, we'll push past this resistance. So, yeah. That's the plan. That's the plan. Is it a good plan? We'll find out. Maybe not. Maybe not. Could come tumbling down all over again. There's big news tomorrow. Friday news. Big news. Let's have a look. 30 seconds left now of this hourly candle. Yep. We are in this trade now. This is it. We are locked. We are loaded. We got a 10 lot on. Previously we had a 12 lot on, but we lost a little bit, so we had to reduce the risk on the next trade. And we're looking for, what are we looking for? We've risked 1,000, so we want to go for at least 2,000. Yeah, 2,100 ideally. Around there. Okay, so interesting here. On the 15, we are like this. Oh, Maroni. It's a spicy meatball. 3 viewers. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Remember that guy? Remember that guy? The train man. What's up, dog? It's my dog. It's my dog. It's my real dog. It's my dog, man. Still in a little drawdown. We've already lost one trade of the day. For me being a little bitch. And getting out and then entering pretty much exactly the same trade again in a worst position. So, well done me. So yeah. Ooh, baby. Got a killer headache from having a few beers last night. Bad move. Yeah. Didn't have many. Fucking headache. Not good. Not good. How's a mess? Hungry. Hangry, one could say. We are down. How much are we down? We're down. So far, we are down for the day. For today, we are down about 300. About 4%. 0.4% of the account. Thereabouts. Not the end of the world, but I'm not happy about it either. So we're down £400. Sorry, £300. About $500. We have given ourselves a second wind, and we have re-entered the trade. We have re-entered. Oh, look at that. £18. Come on. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Give me. Give me. What do you think, Winston? So at the start of the day, our account was up 3%. which was about 2,000 something pounds. And yeah, we want to finish the week on plus 5%. At least. Any more, I'll be very grateful. I'll be very grateful. What I'm hoping, because there's big German economic data coming out tomorrow, what I'm hoping is that someone in that office leaks it or tells some of their banking buddies about it, and it's positive. If that happens, we're going to go up. But then we've got to worry about the Trump-Greenland situation. I think it's calmed down a little bit because he said he's not going to take Greenland by force. However, he still wants it, and the other power he can wield would be having an economic war. And I think Europe needs the US more than the US needs Europe. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have a push to the upside now, and we need a break. We need a break up. My nose is blocked. Excuse me. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? So the trade has decided it wants to play ball, by the looks of things. And for anyone watching, this is the Asian session high and the Asian session low. And what we're betting on today is that because the world didn't end yesterday, that the fear has kind of subsided a little bit in the markets. And we can get back above this 200 moving average here. So this is the 50, this is the 20, I think, yeah. 20, 50, 200. If we get back above here and above this key level, we will be in the money. I think we're going to go for 3, potentially even 4%. Because historically, breaks of key levels do tend to run. So the last time so obviously we broke below the 200 moving average, and then in this range, and then we really came down. This is all news. This is all to do with Greenland and shit. This is, but previous to that, we had gains every day. The last time, where is it? So this is the last time there was a breakout on the 200 moving average. See that? Came up, bing, and then look at this. And that was back in early December. So, if we're able to break up above this position and hold, I think we could be in for, potentially even going up to test the all-time highs. Yeah. But, who knows? This could take a week, could take 2 days, could take, who knows? But look at this. We've come back into our area here. What I do like to see is that let me check something. So the 4-hour candle has flipped bullish. Curious. It'd be nice here if we can. Sorry about all this movement. Sorry about all the movement. I'll try and calm down. My brain is working overtime at the moment. Okay. So we're coming up again. We need a push above here to to have a little break in structure. Yes. We are in for the long run. Can't breathe today. Smoked like 3 cigarettes. 5 pints of beer, whatever it was. Yeah. Not feeling good. I'm definitely approaching 36 years old. May not look it, but I feel it big time. I have not lived a clean life, particularly. Come on, get over there, get over there, get over there. Push. Come on. Bing! Woo! Sometimes the volume comes in a little bit later, I have found. And we're going to need volume to get over this area. Just going to let the dog out. I do wonder about that hound. Okay, looks like it's trying to make a little push. Nice, look at that. Look at that. So, we are in the green at the moment. We are in the green. But this little battle is far from over. We need to break above here. Come on, baby. We haven't broken it on the 30-minute either. So 30-minute is a better indication than 15 and the hourly and so on and so on and so on. Sometimes if you do wait for confirmations, the higher you go up on the time frames, you can miss opportunities. So you look at the lower time frames for little confirmations along the way, and you add those up to make decisions. I shouldn't have got out of the last trade. That was silly. I had a better entry as well, but it won't really matter. If we break above here, we're golden. We are golden. We need to break above the blue line. Break above the blue line, please. Need a new shoulder. I need a new chair. I need some new teeth. I need a new hairline. I need a new country. So the idea of the channel, trading and lifestyle. Not much lifestyle going on at the moment. Hold on, what happened here? We were breaking above. Come on, keep going, you little bitch. So the idea is just follow the trading journey on this funded FTMO account until we can get some good results. What is this dog doing? And then we will be moving our operation to Thailand, and that's where the fun and lifestyle comes in. Sorry, I'm just gonna check on the dog. He's being a retard. What are you doing? Are you hungry? Is that trying to tell me something? Give me some food, boy. When will the pain end? When will it end? Come on. Push above, push above, push above. Okay, we've got 1 minute to push above this area here. Keep going, baby. You know you want to. You know you want to. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Yeah, we don't want to be a double loser today. We don't want... Imagine that. 2 losing trades in a day. Fuck that. No, thank you. No, thank you. 3 people on the stream across Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Give us a follow on TikTok, so just search Coconuts and Candles. Coconuts and Candles. We've got shorts and stuff on there. Okay, nice. A nice little break. So we're on Instagram, X, what else? TikTok, Kick, Twitch, YouTube. Okay, we got a little break. Not so bad. It's not so bad. 4 hour. Ooh, I like this 4 hour candle. I like it. I do like it. I would like it more if we really pushed up, but it's not looking bad. Not a bad rack on that one. 30 minute. We need to close above here as well for further confirmations. But 15. Okay, so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Not so bad. Not so bad. Huh. Hello, dog. Hello. Hello. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you're a handsome man, aren't you? Ooh. They would love you in Thailand. They would. Yeah. They would love you. Don't go to Vietnam though, they'll eat you. They'll be like, oh, look at that fat ass. 2 viewers now. 2 viewers. Hello, 2 viewers. 2 viewers. 2 viewers. Okay. Okay. Not... we could have had a better entry, but we did have a better entry. We bitched out. So we are in this range here a little bit, and we need to break out of it. We really do need to break out of it for this to be valid. So yeah. What does it all mean, Basil? Severe back pain at the moment. Fuck me. Ouch. Okay. What are these? Okay, I'm reloading. Okay, we're currently a little bit up, about £200, but overall we are down a little bit because of a stupid little trade we did earlier. We did a stupid trade earlier, you know. Fuck that trade, man. Fuck that trade, man. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Break on the 30. We need a break on the 30. Oh, we had 3 viewers, and now we have 2. Indian head wobble. Come on, baby, light my fire. Sniper entry, just on reflection, looks to be here. Where, yeah. So we were down here already before. Oh no, don't go down. We just went up, don't go down. Yeah, we did okay. We did okay. We did okay. We got, look, no wick at the bottom. Break above, engulfing candle, rejection from this area. Oh, this big old beast yesterday as well. Oh, this dog, he's testing my patience. And we are full in on the trading. There is no plan B. It is make or break. We are leaving the country. We are leaving the country. So yeah. Uh-oh. Rejection. Uh-oh. And yeah, God, after last night, jeez, I just can't be around certain people now. I've for years I've been quiet and just held my tongue, but I can't eat anymore. And as soon as you open your mouth, you're just pounced on. You can only have an opinion if it's the same as ours. If not, you're the worst person alive. It's just the intolerance, and hypocrisy is baffling. George Orwell was correct. People are insane. Very, very testing. Very testing. Okay. I'm just trying to think when the volume came in. Last week we had a day, and the volume came in quite late. But when it did, it was substantial, to say the least, Miss Moneypenny. Substantial. Just waiting around now. We are in a little bit of so we've created ourselves a range. As you can see, this is a range. When we break out of the range, it's a big deal. So here, break out of the range, big deal. Well done, whoever caught this move. Well done. We're looking for a similar setup here. We need to break above the range and then big push to the upside. which we're not getting currently. Volume seems to be very low today. Why, I don't know. Just is. 2 hours, 20 minutes into the stream. Coconuts and candles. Thank you for tuning in. I did have my microphone off for at least half an hour. Fucking great move. Rookie move, bud. And I wasn't checking the chat either. Rookie. I want to see... Man. I'm a bit worried that there'll be a little sweep to the downside that will catch us out before the move up. A little bit worried about that. A little bit worried. Something like this. See, like, did it do it here? No. So this is a nice setup because there was no big sweep to the upside before going down. It ranged, it lost. So we needed this, and then this, and then woo! Take me to the moon. Frankie boy! Frankie Sinatra! Forget about it. What about the people he murdered? What murder? He was a great guy. Everybody loved him. Johnny boy. Dire Straits, nicotine low, coffee depleted, headache going away. One losing trade, currently in another, to the upside. Nice. I got some really funny shorts that I'm going to make. We had I thought one of them was going to go viral. But it got to 1,500 views, and then, which was the most I ever had. Ooh, they gave me a taste of fame, and then they took it away. What's going on the TikTok? Oh, yes, TikTok. We seem to be in the 700 view jail, where my posts get to 700, and then they just don't ask me why. I have no idea. Just the way it is. Might use a US VPN because apparently posting to the US audience is better. It's better. So what I can do, I can post in the late afternoon, early evening. Could be a plan. Okay, let's have a look. I'll stop talking. We're here to trade. We're here to trade, not to hear me natter. So, a nice push up now on the 30-minute time frame. We're going to get a close above this level. Let's have a look. Let us decant the tin. Yeah, the tin fish guy. He's a funny guy. Alright, 2 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. We are running up at the moment. You know, I'm betting £1,000, 1,100 essentially. How much? Maybe more. Oh no, I'm betting £1,030 that we will break through the top of this structure shortly. Also, closing above the 200 moving average on the 1 hour time frame and continuing on to the fucking stratosphere. That's the plan. And I bet £1,000 on it, so it better come true. I bet a G. So what's we need to be at 1,100 really. No. Hold on. We've already lost. Okay, so yeah. Yes. Push up now, please. Thank you. 45 seconds left of this 30-minute candle. Seems that we're going to close above the previous 30-minute, which is nice. Which is very nice. And looks like we're going to go up and test the Asia high over here. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Come in loud and clear. We got a black male, 6'3". Could be a white male. Could be a Hispanic male. Could be a woman. Could be one of those they thems. Whatever you think about that. Probably just been banned for even mentioning things like that. There are things you cannot talk about in public. You cannot talk about Orange Man. You cannot talk about reality. You cannot talk about mental illness of the people. Gotta get the fuck out of here. Like, staggering. Okay. Weak 15-minute candle, but it is a green candle nonetheless. So yeah, I need to keep moving up. Keep moving up. Low volume. Fucking shit. Low volume. Come on, baby. So we want, look. Hear me out. Accumulation range. Manipulation. Distribution. This is a key level to get. We need to get back in this. We need to get back up. We need to get right up in that shit. Deep penetration needed. Deep. Spit lube if needed. If we don't get deep penetration, are you even penetrating? I wonder how Tommy's doing with his account. He was very close to passing his first eval stage, and I think he took a bit of a tumble, but that's okay. Yeah. Yep. So we're about even for the day now. If I was to close the trade. I'm not fucking leaving. We are in. The anticipation is building the closer we get to this level. I just want you to move past it. Please. Get back up on here. What I don't want to see is this. I'm a bit scared of testing this level here. I'm a bit scared of that. And I can't move my stop. I can't do it. I cannot. I will not. Okay. So it looks like we're back to our 2 grand. 2 G's. Say. Hey, Johnny Tight Lips, what do I tell the doctor? Tell him to go suck on a lemon. Yeah, Johnny Tight Lips, eh? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Can we get... I want to get some distribution up in here. ASMR. It's a nice strong bullish candle, this one. It's nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's nice. It's nice. I like it's nice. My sister. Hey, sister. I really like if the problem is if we come up here and bounce off it, we come into a scenario I don't want to be in, essentially. So we need breaks and holds above this area here. So we'll monitor. So first we'll get on the 5, then the 15, then the hourly, then the 4. The 4 hour is closing nicely. Our stop is below. Not yeah. So our stop is nicely below the 4 hour. I like that. I like it a lot. It's pretty sexy. And if the 4 hour closes above this one as well. Ooh. Ooh. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Could this be the push? The final push. We're on the home straight now. No, we're still in the gate at the moment. If I close this trade now, we'll actually be up for the day. But what kind of man would I be? I couldn't look at myself in the mirror then to see my trade. Going to the moon. We're going to the moon today. 400 up, 400 up, right now, 400, 400. Moving up to the Asia high, Asia high, Asia high. We want to push through the Asia high. Yeah. A bit of a big bet. It's a bit of a tall ask to push above the 200 moving average. It's like a fucking rock. It's a rock, man. But once we get above it, I would hope to see a nice push to the upside. Like a big one. Big. Big, big, big. On the daily, we're talking... Yeah. Big. I'm talking big. I'm talking... it's possible. It is possible. Yeah, I don't think... We've got to be a little bit realistic, but... You know, it's nice. It's nice to have dreams. Who was that guy? He had a dream once. That people were equal. Right, where is... So that is 1, 2, 3. That's 3% right there. That's 3%. That's what we want. 3%. 2 to 1, risk reward, 3%. Very nice. I think it can be done. I think it can be done. Need to eat something. Oh, a tin of tuna maybe. Just to wet the palate. Bacon and egg sandwich. Oof. Bacon and egg sandwich, I think so. Yes. Catch me farting on stream, man. Tune in to catch me fart on stream. Baby. Strong push and close above this area, and I am gonna be hard nippled. Very hard. if we hit our take profit, then you may get an erection. It's possible. It is possible. Oh. Bacon! We have bacon! Oh, bacon, I love the way. Oh, okay, let's have a look. We seem to be pushing up now on the hourly, so even on the 15 here. The hell is that doing? I like this. I like this. It's good. It's good. It's good for the soul. Okay, bacon is in the pan. Bacon is in. The trade is running. The trade is running. Ugh. About a minute and a half left on this 15-minute candle so far. We're going to have the hourly close soon, and also the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is sexy. 4 hour is very sexy. Yeah, I mean, at this stage I just want to do things to that 4 hour candle. It's looking so good. It's looking so good. Alright, 15 minute. So we're approaching the Asia highs at the moment. This is where we see if our idea materializes or if we get bum raped. Oh, can't say that word. Bum graped. Grape, grape, grape. I love grape soda. What's this lock price? What is that? What is this? Lock price. What is that? Shouldn't be playing around with buttons when I'm in a trade. Not good. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. The idea is materializing. Can we do it? Can we do it? 15-minute close. Nicely. And we need to continue pushing. Uh-oh, our nicotine supply is running out. Not good. Not good at all. What I need to do, I need to extract. I need an extraction. I need an extraction. We need to combine our forces, our nicotine forces together. Okay, we're sitting around 500 in the green at the moment. Oh, gotta flip the beacon. Okay, this could be sexy. Let's see what happens at this key level. Let's see what happens at this key level. I need it to rip up. Rip, rip, rip. If we get a rip up now with some volume coming in. Is it there? Does it have the minerals? Stop. Entry. Take profit. Trading is as simple as that. And this needs to be more than this, ideally. And obviously you have to win more than you lose. Okay, key level now. Key level, everybody. What will happen at this key level? It's either huge or it's tiny. Approaching 3 hours into the stream as well at this key level. Key level. While I'm cooking bacon at the same time. Sorry, Mama. Where's my spatula gone? And I thought hunting season was over. How we looking? How we looking, chat? Okay. We're testing now the Asia session high. We need a continuation, otherwise I believe the trade will become invalid and very dangerous, and we will go down to test the Asia session low. And probably at the same time we'll be testing this area here as well. So at the moment, yeah, this is scary stuff. We need to rip through here. And we've got 8 minutes to do it. Okay, we are back. Bacon sandwich in hand. The lucky bacon sandwich. I'm probably going to turn the camera off while I eat this because it's going to be disgusting. But look, this is gold right here. It's going to drain off some of that grease. some of that grease. Right, I'm going to turn the sound off and the camera. Okay, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to push through here, so it's making me a little bit nervous. Might have to close our trade. Yeah, 10 seconds left of this candle. I need to see a push up through this level. I'm not seeing it. Unless we get some big volume now. It's happening in 5. If we break this low, I'm going to get out of the trade. I'm going to push up. Push up, push up. Okay, we're getting up. We're getting up. So, we got out, essentially, we've already lost the trade. We weren't able to break through. We weren't able to break through this level. There's a problem here. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end the stream. We are in profit. Let's see what profit we are in for the day. It's not a lot, but it is something. Let's have a look. Okay, 150 in profit. So, not bad. I will be keeping an eye to see what happens here. The 4 hourly did close nicely, but it's right at the top of this monumental resistance. And I'm not seeing the volume. And we weren't, like, that would have been a perfect setup then to push through this area. I think if the momentum was there, we would have done it here, and then we would have continued. But I'm not seeing any breaks. I'm not seeing any breaks, so I got out. If I hadn't have lost the smaller trade earlier, I probably would have stayed in. But yeah, we're just protecting the account. So we've locked in a little bit of profit. We haven't lost anything for the day. Nice. Not the big push we wanted, but I'll keep an eye on things.